Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C: and hit enter. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C: \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space C: \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.